Welcome back, children. Yes. So today we'll start, that is the lesson continuation. This lesson one continuation only, that is measurement weight. Yes. So in before session you learned the addition of weight. Yes. So and today we'll start here the subtraction of weight. So already you learned the kgs, how we will be converting the kg to gram. Yes. So what we will do? We do a multiplied by 1000. Yes. So we can get answer, that is converting of kg to gram. Okay. And in this session we will learn here subtraction of weight. Subtraction of weight. Yes, subtraction of weight. Yes, see here they can be given here one of the question. Yes, Rani bought 5 kg 500 gram of wheat from a cooperative society, and it was observed that a small quantity of wheat was leaked out from the bag. What is the weight of wheat leaked out? How to find this thing? Yes, they can given here. So is it possible to collect the what it is wheat which is leaked out and find its weight? So are you finding from where that wheat is leaked? We can't find out that. Okay, we will not collecting that all. So after what we will do? We will weight that wheat. Yes. Then by which other method can be it find out here? Weight the remaining wheat. So handbags. So what is its weight? So this weight is less compared to the weight when bought, is it not? So it means, so how much she bought from the cooperative society? 5 kg 500 gram. But when she is reach home, so that already so much of wheat is leaked. That's not the same weight compared to that first weight. Yes. Okay. For example, they can given here 5 kg 300 grams. So it means it may be leaked out how many grams here? 200 grams. Yes. Okay. The quantity of wheat is leaked out 5 kg 300 gram. It means we will be less from 5 kg 500 to 5 kg 300. We can get answer is 5 kg 300 only we can get. It means 200 grams of what? Wheat is leaked. Yes, so they can be given here. So we'll write here the weight of the wheat bought. How much she bought? Weight of the wheat bought is equal to how much? 5 kg 500 gram. Yes. Next, weight of the wheat left after leakage. Yes. How much it's left here? 5 kg 300 gram. Weight of the wheat which is leaked out. It means how much of what? Wheat is leaked out. Now we will do here. So what we will be do here? We will subtract, because only we will be finding. So how much of wheat is leaked out from the bag? Yes. Okay. So gram as it is, will write 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 3 2. So here kg as it is, 5 minus 5 is 0. It means how much of amount of how much kgs grams of wheat is leaked out here? 200 grams of wheat is leaked out from the bag. Understood this one? Yes. So students, see here, see the exercise now. 12.3. Yes. So they can be given here. Find the first question. Find the difference of weights given below. Yes, okay. Here see, first one they can given here 34 kg minus 12 kg. Yes, now we will be subtract here. See what they can given here, difference means we are taken here, so we subtract. Yes, 4 minus 2 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. Yes, so how much we can get answer? 22 kg. Next one, that is 249 kg 136 kg. Yes, now we will be subtract. Yes, kg, as it is 9 minus 6 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is 113 kg. Okay, next, that is third one, 542 kg 299 kg. Yes, so now we will be subtract here. See, so 2 is smaller, it means what it is, 9 is bigger. So here what we will be do here, so we can take from 1 from this side, so it will come as become 12. Yes, 12 minus, that is 12 minus 9 is equal to how much? 12 minus 9 is 3. Okay, yes. So here 4 is there, but here 3 is there, here 9 is there. So 9 is bigger. Yes, 3 is smaller. What we will see? So we will take from 1 from this side, so it will become as 13. Yes, so next 13 minus what? 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Yes, so 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. It means answer is 243 kg. Next one, 36 kg 27 gram minus 24 kg 12 gram. Yes, so we'll do subtract now. Gram, as it is, will mention 7 minus 2 is how much? 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, next kg. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So answer is 12 kg 50 gram. Okay, next one, fifth one, 94 kg 174 gram, 39 kg 98 gram. Yes, now we will subtract this one. Okay, so here see students, what we will take here. So 174, this is 174. Okay, so here 174, what we will be do here? So here 4 is there, here 8 is there. Yes, what we will be do now? So we take 1 from here, it will become 14. 14 minus what? 14 minus 8. So how much? We will be subtract 14 minus 8. It means 8 is subtract from the 14. Answer we can get 6. Yes. So now here see 6 is there, here 9 is there. Yes, 9 is bigger than the 6. So what we will do? 1 from we will be take that side. So it will become 0. It will become 16. Yes, 16 minus 9. So how much it's come near remaining? So 16 minus 9 is 7. Yes. So here 1 minus 0 minus 0, here 0 it's left out. Here kg will write here. Next, so we can go as here 9 is there, here what it is, here 94 and here 39 is there. Yes, so here 94 will write as this one 14. So we take from that side 1, so it will become 8. So 14 minus 9 is how much? 5. 14 minus 9 is, answer is 5. So here 8 minus 3 is 5. Yes, answer 55 kg 76 gram. Okay, next one, that is sixth one. See, that is sixth one. 298 kg 248 gram. 149 kg 248 gram. Yes, here see, gram as it is. 8 minus 8 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. Next we are going, that is next one, kg as it is, we'll take here. So here 8 is there, here 9 is there, 9 is bigger than the 8. So what will we do? So 1 from this side, so it will become as how much? 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. Yes, 8 minus 4 is how much? 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is 149 kg 0 gram. Okay, yes. Next one, that is second main. What they can given here second main? That is solve these problems. Okay, yes. Yes, first question, that is second main, solve these problems. Yes, first one, Abdul bought 30 kg of rice from this if 19 kg of rice was used. What is the quantity of rice? What is the quantity of rice remaining? Yes, what is the quantity of rice remaining? Yes, what will we do here now? Yes, first we'll write here, Abdul bought how much kg of rice? 30 kg of rice. From this 90 kg of rice was used. Okay, they used 19 kg of rice. So what is the total quantity of rice remaining? How much rice is remained? Yes, okay. See here, first we'll write weight of rice bought is equal to how much? 30 kg. Yes, from this 19 kg of rice was used. Here I'll write weight of rice used. How much they can use weight of rice? 19 kg of rice they used. Yes, okay. What we will be do now? We will be subtract. How much? Here 9 is there, here 0 is there. Yes, so can't to subtract. So what will we do? So it will take 10, it will become as 2. 10 minus 9 is 1. Yes, 2 minus 1 is 1. 11 kg. It means write remaining rice is how much? Rice is 11 kg. Yes. Okay. This is the first question. See, 30 kg of rice Abdul was bought. Okay. So they used in her means in his room, in his house, they are used how much rice? 19 kg of rice they are used. What is the remaining rice is how much? It means, so left out rice is how much? So how much is there? So remaining rice is 11 kg. Yes. Next one, that is second one. In the morning there was 450 kg of firewood in the godown. In the evening, if 200 kg of firewood was left. Yes. What is the quantity of firewood sold? Yes. So what we will be finding now here? In the morning there was a 450 kg of firewood in the godown. Yes. So in the evening, if 200 kg of firewood is left out, it means remained. So total, what is the quantity? It means how much quantity of firewood is sold. Yes. Okay. So here we'll write weight of firewood in the morning. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದರೆ 450 kg. Yes. Next one, weight of firewood in the evening in the evening left. Okay, so this is in the morning left out this much. So in the evening how much left? So that is 200 kg. Yes. Okay, so what we will be find out? So we will find out here firewood was left. Okay, weight of firewood sold. So how much of your kg as it is will remain here? 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, 5 minus 2 is 3. Total 350 kg of firewood is sold. Understood this one? Okay. Next one, that is third one. Third one, weight of Anand is 30 kg, 750 gram. Weight of Suresh is 28 kg, 250 gram. Whose weight is more and by how much? Yes, so here weight of Anand is how much? Weight of Anand is equal to 30 kg, 750 gram. Weight of Suresh is equal to 28 kg, 250 gram. Yes, okay. So what we will be finding here? Difference of weight. Yes, see here, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 2, 5. Yes, kg as it is will write here. 10 minus 8, 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. It means that is difference of weight is 2 kg 500 gram. So whose weight is more? It means here that is Anand weight. So Anand weight is more than Anand's weight is more than Suresh weight. Yes, Suresh weight. Okay, so it means we can understanding Anand weight is more compared to Suresh weight. Understood? Okay. Next one, that is fourth one. 20 kg, 250 gram of sweet was bought for the naming ceremony. Of a child. Yes, from this 13 kg of sweet was distributed. Yes, what is the quantity? What is the quantity of sweet? Undistributed. Yes. So, how much quantity of sweet is undistributed? So, we will be find now. Okay. So, here first I'll write weight of sweet bought (20 kg) 250 gram. Okay. Next one, weight of weight of sweet distributed weight of sweet is distributed. So how much kg? 13 kg. So 13 kg here 000 gram. Okay, no, nothing is there. So total sweet, it means weight of, not a total, weight of sweet undistributed. Undistributed sweet is how much is there? No, we will be finding. Yes, distributed. So here gram 000, 5 minus 05, 2 minus 02. Okay, kg. Here 10, here 1. So 10 minus 3 is 7, 1 minus 1 is 0. It means undistributed sweet, how much is there here? 7 kg, 250 gram. Yes, so it means, so 20 kg and 250 gram of sweet that can be bought. Okay, so how it means 13 kg of sweet was distributed. Remaining that sweet how much is there? It means undistributed sweet how much is there? We will be find out the weight of sweet undistributed is how much? 7 kg 250 gram. Yes students, so I hope you understood what is this problem. Okay, next they can be given here estimated weight and accurate weight. Yes, estimated weight is how much is there, accurate weight is how much is there. So estimated weight means we can call as approximate, not what it is, exact weight. Okay, so nearest we will be tell that one. Then accurate means exact weight. So we will see the weight and weigh the things and we will be say that is accurate. Okay. Yes, estimated weight and accurate weight. Estimated weight means here weight and accurate weight. Accurate weight. Yes, for example, for estimated weight we will be see the example. Okay, estimated weight. Yes, duster, will take one duster. Okay, yes, so this one will take this one. Okay, so this is estimated, approximately I'll tell here. So this is 150 gram. So it is 150 gram, that is estimated weight. Estimated weight. So 150 grams. I'll not weighted this one. Approximately, it means nearest weight I'll tell here. But that's approximate weight is, it means that accurate weight is how much that is. So that's accurate weight is. Accurate weight is 123 gram. Exact weight is 123 grams. Approximate I told no, that is estimated weight is 150 gram. Like another one example will take. Okay, another one example is that is okay, one pen. So pen it is how much grams it is. So that is first I'll tell as estimated weight. Estimated weight I'll tell. Okay. So that is approximately that pen weight is okay 50 gram. Yes, but accurate weight I'll tell here. Accurate weight, it means if I weighted that, if I weighted, accurate means weighted what? Weighing how much it comes now, that we will be write down, weighted that. So it is 48 gram. Understood this one? So weighted is 48, estimate nearest, it means I'll weight, it means I'll have means take my hand and I'll tell here that is approximate, that estimated. So it is accurate, it means will weigh and say that is 48 gram. Yes, Okay, so like they can be given here, students, in the page exercise 12.4 they can be given here. See, so if these all are in your home, that means all things are there in your home. Yes, so here hammer 1 kg, that is estimated, but accurate weight is 1 kg 200 gram is there. Next, meals plate, we are eating that plate, accurate how much is there, you will be see and write. First you will be write down how much estimated, after you can weigh and write down here. Yes, box filled with a piece of chalk. Yes, so if it is there in your house, you will be measuring it, otherwise leave that one. Lock is there, your school bag and glove, so all you will be do with the help of your elders. If you are in the class, I only explaining, but you are not in the class, so you will be take help of your elders. Understood this one? Okay, students, I hope you understood. This lesson is completed. Tomorrow we'll see the next chapter, that is a measurement of volume. Thank you for watching.